Opila, my pet bird. Yes, Opila, you are my pet bird. Yes, she is my pet bird. And today's series is What is Opila? This is a short series of what you are, and I make these every day. This is Opila, and she is just staring blankly. Opila bird is a cross between a flamingo and ostrich. Yeah, it was a flamingo and an ostrich, I think, guys. 1 second, guys. I literally, guys? Yeah, she is a flamingo crossed with a ostrich, and Opila is like my pet bird. She is like my literal pet bird. I do almost everything with this bird because she's my little Opila bird, aren't you? And she says yes. I even have a to-do list that my mum has to do to keep Opila fit and healthy, because when I'm at school she usually just bundles up and sleeps all day. Okay, guys, I'll show you the to-do list in just 1 second. And this is our to-do list, guys. So this one here, it's 1, feed Opila bird breakfast, 9 o'clock until 10 o'clock. Isn't that right, Opila? And the next one is she goes on the trampoline. And the next one is a game session from 11:05 till 11:45. As you can see, the weird little numbers like 1:30 till 2, it shows what time. And after the game session we have lunch, which is 12 to 1, so half 1, 1:30. And then after 1:30 it's nap time, 1:30 till 2. And the home time is 2 p.m. till 9 a.m. Hope you enjoyed our series about Opila. Dun 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 dun.